Chudini ST College na Pichatato, Delagi Coast FNB, Kena Lu Achara, Table Setup, Delagi Folding this Nature Hove, Gratitude, thank you.
Uzambo, Yimindio, Chimkili Banjos Lavin, there, Matato Zumchibo, SG Touring Lockdown Hato, there, Maje, SG Touring Lockdown, into Lasha Tobi, there, Maja Tambara. Lecture of Boe, the Rajana, Labi says someone at Juba, Chamot, lecture to the Shumi.
Hi everyone, I'm Chikmidoje from Bhutan, currently pursuing hospitality and culinary arts in ST College in Malaysia. To talk about in college, it is located in the core center of the Malaysia city, which provides dynamic skills to the students, those who are really interested to learn the culinary arts. So I joined this college because it provides a wide range of skills and experience, and also will get to learn those too many things about our culinary things. So to talk about our lecturers, they are all industrial experts and all are well experienced, highly skilled ones. So we are getting chance to learn more things on the culinary and all. So I would like to urge my friends, if you are really interested to learn the culinary things, you can just come here and you can experience the different kinds of culinary terms, different kinds of techniques and skills. So because we got a wide range of kitchens here, so well equipped, all facilities are equipped for the culinary things, so we can learn more on the culinary. Thank you.
College pursuing hospitality in culinary arts. After completing my high school, I decided to take my cooking passion into next level, so I joined ST College. Here we can not only get to learn from expert lecturers, but we can develop our creativity, skills and confidence. To my friends back there in my country, I would like to say, if you are a food lover and love cooking, come to ST Academy in the heart of Malaysia.